Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes. Now we are going to start with a new topic, that is quadratic equations. Today I am going to give some brief knowledge of this topic. So starting with the topic, the definition is a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Now this condition is the most important condition. If the coefficient of x square is 0, then this thing will not come in the category of quadratic equation. So to get the quadratic equation, a should not be equal to 0. The next topic is roots of a quadratic equation. A real number alpha is called root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0, if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. It means that we have to take a value alpha such that it is going to satisfy this equation. This I am going to explain you with a suitable example. Let x is equal to minus 2 is one of the quadratic root of the quadratic equation of 3x square plus x minus 10. It means that when I put the value of x as minus 2 in this quadratic equation, the answer will be coming as 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 2 becomes the root of the quadratic equation. Next topic is how to solve a quadratic equation, that is solving a quadratic equation. Solving a quadratic equation means finding its root, finding the value of x or finding the value of y. And this I can explain with an example. The equation is 5x square minus 8x is equal to 0. If we take x common, it becomes x within bracket 5x minus 8 equal to 0. And from this I am getting two values of x. First is 0, another one is 8 by 5. Now in a quadratic equation, it is a degree of 2. So it should have always two values. And as you can see here, we have got two values here. One is x is equal to 0, another one is x is equal to 8 by 5. So these are few technical words which we are required to know in this topic. Now coming to the solving part, how we can solve a quadratic equation. Today I am going to take up some typical type of questions. Type number 1 is here, and the question is 2 within bracket 2x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 3 minus 3 x plus 3 whole divided by 2x minus 1 equal to 5. Now this is a very typical type of question, and to solve this we are going to take 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 as y, and then the equation becomes 2y minus 3 by y equal to 5, which on solving is going to give me 2y square minus 3 equal to 5y. After this, if we rearrange them in a proper order, it is going to give me 2y square minus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. And look at the splitting the middle term. This we have done in class 9. 2y square minus 6y plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now after this, we are going to take 2 common between these two terms, 2y common between the first two terms, and the last two terms we will take 1 common. So coming to the next step, 2y within bracket y minus 3 plus 1 within bracket y minus 3 equal to 0, which is going to give me two factors, y minus 3 and 2y plus 1 equal to 0, which on solving is going to give me values of y as 3 and minus 1 by 2. Now if I take up the case number 1, that is if I take the value of y as 3, we are going to get the equation 2x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 3 equal to 3, which implies 2x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 1, which is going to give me the solution, the first solution, as x is equal to minus 10. In case number 2, we are going to take the value of y as minus 1 by 2, which implies 2x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 3 equal to minus 1 by 2, which solving will give me 4x minus 2 equal to minus x minus 3, which implies 5x is equal to minus 1, and ultimately we are going to get the value of x as minus 1 by 5. So in this pattern, if you look at the pattern here once more, the question was in a very typical way. We have assumed this as y. We got first the value of y as 3 and minus 1 by 2. But since our question was in terms of x, so we have gone two different cases here. On the basis of the two different cases, we got two different values of x as minus 10 and minus 1 by 5. This is the first pattern which is there. Now we are going to the second type, again a very unique type, and the question is 5 power x plus 1 plus 5 power 2 minus x equal to 5 power 3 plus 1. Now if we know the rules of exponents, the power is added, it means we can write it like this: 5 power x into 5 power 1 plus 5 power 2 into 5 power minus x is equal to 126, which implies 5 power x into 5 plus 25 divided by 5 power x is equal to 126. Now if we take 5 power x as y, we will get an equation of y here, and that is 5y plus 25 by y is equal to 126, which implies 5y square minus 126y plus 25 is equal to 0. Now if we solve this by the method of splitting the middle term, we are going to get the factors like this: 5y square minus 125y minus y plus 25 equal to 0. This implies if we take up 5y common in the first two terms, we will get 5y within bracket y minus 25, and minus 1 is common between both of them. Then we get minus 1 within bracket y minus 25 is equal to 0, which implies y minus 25 is the first factor, 5y minus 1 is the second factor, and solving we are going to get y as 1 by 5 and y is equal to 25. But since our question was not in terms of y, so we are moving forward to the further step, and look at the step here. We will write 5 power x is equal to 5 power 1, which is going to give me the value of x as minus 1, and the second one 5 power x is equal to 5 power 2, which is going to give me the value of x as 2. Again I will say, since it was a quadratic equation, we will have two values of x. The first is coming as minus 1, another one is coming as 2. In this pattern, we have assumed 5 power x as y. We got two values of y, that is 1 by 5 and 25. But since our question was not in terms of y, so we have used the given information, that is 5 power x is equal to 5 power minus 1, and from that we got the first value of x as minus 1, and the second one was 5 power x is equal to 5 power 2, which is going to give us x as 2. So if we look at the total type number 1 and type number 2, a quadratic equation should have two solutions. Today I have taken two typical type of patterns of quadratic equation. I hope you have understood the two patterns. In the next class we will continue with some more topic of the quadratic equation. Thank you and have a nice day.